Our next guest is Nancy Zionts. Nancy, welcome. Great to have you.
Thank you.
Tell us a little bit about what you do.
I'm the Chief Program Officer at the Jewish Healthcare Foundation, and I've been there for 15 years, and the job has evolved into a tremendous amount of programming around our community, around the state, and some national policy as well.
Great. And you've been going to Blue Knot events for how long?
About 2.5, 3 years. Since they started, at least every year I've been to a few events. I can't say I've been to all of them, but that's, I think, one of the nice things about Blue Knot. You get to pick and choose the events that speak to you the most. Was
there a particular event or events that spoke to you the most?
I liked the one that was done with the Pittsburgh Life Sciences Greenhouse, mostly because it was an opportunity to meet people I had never met before, companies that were new to the area, and that I think were new to understanding healthcare and the nexus between healthcare and technology.
So that was directly on point with what you do on a day-to-day basis.
And I wasn't responsible for planning it, so it was a nice opportunity to really enjoy the content and for meeting new people.
Were there any particular relationships that evolved out of that with the Jewish Healthcare Foundation?
Interestingly, it was a chance to reconnect with people that we knew of in town, but because our agenda is constantly evolving, sometimes you lose touch of people who could be a viable partner for you at any given time. So that was a nice chance to reconnect with some of the people who are working in hospital and electronic health records. So it was a profitable evening.
Now, you not only attend events, but you've actually helped to organize and host a couple Blue Knot events. You want to tell us a little bit about those?
Yes, we were very involved in the event that involved United Jewish Federation and WISER, the Winter Institute for Simulation, Education, and Research, as well as the event with CECity. And what was nice about those events were we were introducing players that didn't know each other, and we were working on parts of the community which traditionally had not been connected. So the idea of connecting healthcare and simulation together with a lot of the information technology companies, that was new at the time when it was being done. Now it's much more accepted and it's all over the community, but at the time that was a new experience for a lot of the members of our community.
Were there particular experiences that you can recount in terms of the participants that night or those evenings?
I was struck by two things about Blue Knot participants that you don't see at other events. One is that they like hands-on experiences, and it was a great opportunity for them to go over to the simulation center and actually participate in simulation. And secondly, they really do come to network. So they have a wonderful opportunity, a lot of time built in the schedule for them to talk with other people, learn, and see how people connect with the various presentations. And that's different than going to a standard auditorium presentation.
Just one other question. At the WISER event, no robots died?
No robots died in the filming of the WISER event.
Great. Well, thanks for coming in. Great chatting with you.
My pleasure.
Okay.